Measure 4.5 centimeters on a light pink pipe cleaner. Fold it, cross and twist the short end, leave 0.5 centimeters. Twist out 4 equal petals, curve them slightly upward. Make 7 sets of petals total, split one set into 2 halves. Coil a yellow pipe cleaner into a disc. Tuck the tail in and fold it inward. Take a hot pink pipe cleaner, wrap it around a stem to make a spring shape. Glue the 2 ends together. Glue it to one side of the disc for the center. Glue the petals around the center, attach 3 full sets, 4 petals each, plus 1/2 set for the first layer. Repeat to glue the same number of petals for the second layer. Measure 3 centimeters on a green pipe cleaner. Fold and twist, then make 5 sepals. Glue the sepals to the top of the stem. Add glue to each sepal, then attach the flower to them. Wrap the entire stem with floral tape.